is the 12th of August 2024. The current time is 8:10 a.m. IST, and specifically in ES, at the moment, what I am seeing is the overnight inventory is just developing around the previous day's close. Overnight inventory is pretty flat, and one of the areas where I'm actually observing the inventory development is around the 53.65 to 53.69 region, right? So this is the inventory, the current inventory in the overnight. And if you see the fat balance, right, so where the overall auction is developing is with, again, within that particular range. Okay. Apart from that, other things which I'm seeing is below VWAP is where the acquisition of inventory or the supply is just shutting off. There's no continuation below VWAP. So below VWAP is where the inventory is getting acquired, and now they are distributing, slowly distributing higher above the first standard deviation. Okay. Uh, and also below 53 56 zone is where I'm seeing an excess low in the current overnight auction, marking lack of supply, and now the inventory will be trying to distribute higher, right? So I'm just measuring you how the inventory is developing with respect to just marking the stops. So this is a market profile chart, and I'm just using the market profile chart to understand how the inventory is developing and where the stops are being created, right? So at the moment, I am seeing a lot of inventory is getting acquired above VWAP. So I am looking for a liquidation and what happens around the VWAP and the previous day's close, right? So that is also an important level why the supply is shutting off around the previous day's close and not seeing a follow through or a continuation lower. Okay. So yeah, so just chopping around, and also this week there are a couple of events which are happening in US. So there is a PPI CPI data coming out on Tuesday. There is retail sales data coming out on Thursday. Plus, there is FOMC meeting which is scheduled this week. So there might be not some major catalyst, but there will be some news which are specifically focused this week compared to last week, right? So do check the description, or of description below. I have covered out the list of events and the references of where I have found those events. But overall, I'm not seeing any trades yet. I am pretty neutral, and I am waiting for a liquidation to happen. And for me, the actual trade, I'm looking for it to be around the spike base, or this excess low, or what happens once the overnight inventory is taken out, right? Do I see a continuation? Because where I'm looking for sellers is from the 53.82 to 53.86 zone. So right now I'm in the no trade zone, and I don't want to get trapped and get chopped. Yeah. So yeah, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.